Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ring reveal from JewelScent. This is from their Coconut Paradise Body Scrub. And I think this is the very last JewelScent product in my house. This one's kind of old, it's been in my stash. And I decided it's time to get the ring out. So it's buried way at the bottom. And though they've changed their jewelry and don't really like how they do certain stuff now, I do like their body scrub. It's real soft and it foams and lathers a little bit, so it's really good for shaving. So that is probably my favorite product that they make. Their bath bombs are okay. They're not too like colorful or exciting as Fragrant Jewels or some of the other companies. And their candles aren't bad either, but they've changed their jewelry a lot. And I'm not a fan of that. So you probably won't see them too much on my channel unless they do come out with some unique or unusual stuff, but let's take a look here. It smells really good. I'm not sure that necessarily smells like coconuts. It has a very clean scent to it. So this should be a ring because this was back before they started doing other types of jewelry. And it does have a code, which I will appraise here in a moment because I never remember what they stand for. Even though I've been doing ring reveals for years, still don't remember. I have soap all over me, so it's hard to open the bag. But I will say I have seen people win big ticket items from this company. You'll get a token inside instead of a piece of jewelry, and that's how you know you won. That's a pretty cool ring. Very pretty stone. Has some nice detailing on the side. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the code, and I'll be back to show you a better view of the ring. So the code SG46 appraises for $20. And JewelScent was actually the second company that I ever started buying items from. And I used to be able to find some higher valued rings and the jewelry was like a better quality. And it's been going downhill. And then a lot of the rings just appraise for like the minimum amounts, which is like 15 and 20. So that is what I got. I do have a playlist in case you want to see more from this company. But I have playlists from pretty much all the ring reveal companies that I could think of at least. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, please check out my channel and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.